Good morning and welcome to another round of Trading View update. Let's start with Bitcoin first. As you can see, it's actually trying to break through the 45,600 resistance level highlighted by Stefan yesterday. On a positive touch of things, it's already broken through the major descending trend line, which is the white trend line you can see here, and the fear and greed index is actually back to neutral level now. However, we have to be careful of the death cross, which is when the 100 days moving average crossing below the 200 days moving average. This has actually happened in the mid 2021 heavy correction where the price actually crashed below the 30K level right after that happened, as you can see here on the this is where the indicator where the cursor is. That ended at after the crash. It actually ended at the November all-time highs of 69K. It's also concerning that despite on the recent Bitcoin price action, the volumes actually remain very low. So we could actually see some extreme price moves either way. So the RSI zone, you can actually see is actually approaching the oversold zone now. So we could actually see some pullbacks short term. You can see from the green line here, so it can actually pull back to the 39K range, completing the first major pullback before breaking the major bearish trend line again and then take another leg up. However, on the bearish case, we could actually see a deeper correction that could bring us down to the 33K range. That is the lows of January. Should it fail to hold the 39K range support. So let's take a look at the features on the features and option matrices. So the futures open interest volumes actually have been increasing over the last week to around 17.2 billion. Funding rates on an annualized level is around slight negative to flat now. And if we take a look at the options here, so the Bitcoin pull call ratio is around 0.6 for the past 24 hours, and these are actually generally bullish indicators, of improving sentiment. Now let's move on to Ethereum. So it's now still flirting with the 50 days moving average, which is the blue line here, that has been acting as a ceiling, and the yellow line here, which is the 50 weeks moving average, as support. We, as kind of similar story to what Stefan has been mentioning yesterday, we need a clear break above the 3,270 level, which is above us, to recover the drop since the 20th of January. And the next major resistance we're looking at after you kind of break through this level is the 3,400 level line. Similar story to Bitcoin. It's a bit concerning with volumes, but rising prices. So you can see here it actually tapered off on the volumes. So immediate support we're seeing here is the 3,150 level, which is the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level as well. And the next major support is at 3,000, which is also a psychological level. On the kind of open interest and the features and options matrices is similar to Bitcoin. Let's take a look here. So the aggregated open interest of Ethereum features has been rising over the last week to around 8.5 billion now. And the funding rates on an annualized level for Ethereum is also similar to Bitcoin, which is around like flat, slightly negative to flat. And also taking a look at the Ethereum options matrices, has been kind of hovering around the 0.7 level for the put call ratio of the past 24 hours. So it's kind of similar to Bitcoin on the on the futures option matrices, also indicating kind of a bullish sentiment over here. So hopefully we will kind of see this sentiment being sustained, but also be bearing in mind a short-term correction could be coming for both the the biggest market cap coins for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is it for now. Speak to you guys soon, and happy trading.